Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's got everyone talking. Could Bitcoin really hit $100,000 by 2025? It sounds crazy, right? I mean, that's more than double its all-time high. But when you look at the fundamentals and the factors driving its growth, it might not be as far-fetched as you think. So buckle up, because in this video, we're going to break down the key reasons why Bitcoin could actually reach this mind-blowing price point. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we need to talk about is institutional adoption. Remember back in the day when Bitcoin was this mysterious fringe thing that only tech geeks and cypherpunks were into? Yeah, those days are long gone. Now, major financial institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity, and even old-school banks are getting in on the action. They're offering Bitcoin services to their clients, launching crypto trading desks, and most importantly, putting their own money where their mouth is by adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets. Why is this such a big deal? Well, think about the sheer amount of capital these institutions control. We're talking trillions of dollars here. As they continue to invest in Bitcoin, it creates massive buying pressure, driving up demand, and you guessed it, the price. Okay, let's talk about Bitcoin halvings, because these events are like rocket fuel for Bitcoin's price. See, Bitcoin has this built-in mechanism where roughly every 4 years, the rate at which new Bitcoins are created gets cut in half. This is coded into Bitcoin's DNA, and it's designed to make Bitcoin scarcer over time. Now, why does scarcity matter? Well, basic economics tells us that when something is scarce and the demand is high, the price goes up. And historically, we've seen that Bitcoin halvings lead to significant price surges. In 2012, the price exploded from around $12 to over $1,000 after the first halving. And then, after the 2016 halving, Bitcoin went on an epic run to its all-time high of almost $20,000. The next halving is expected sometime in 2024, so the timing couldn't be more interesting for that potential $100,000 target. Chapter 3. Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. The global economy is kind of a mess right now, right? We've got inflation running rampant, central banks printing money like it's going out of style, and all sorts of geopolitical uncertainty. This is where Bitcoin comes in. See, unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any government or central bank. It's decentralized, meaning it operates independently of all that chaos. This makes it a very attractive hedge against inflation and economic instability. As more and more people lose faith in traditional systems, they're turning to Bitcoin as a safe haven asset. And guess what? That increased demand translates into a higher price. Chapter 4. Now before you go all in on Bitcoin, thinking it's a guaranteed ticket to riches, we need to talk about the potential roadblocks. First off, regulation is a big one. Governments around the world are still trying to figure out how to handle cryptocurrencies, and we could see some stricter regulations in the future that could impact Bitcoin's price. Secondly, market volatility. Bitcoin is notorious for its wild price swings. Remember, what goes up can also come down, and those price fluctuations can be nerve-wracking, especially if you're new to the game. And finally, competition. Bitcoin might be the OG cryptocurrency, but there are thousands of other crypto projects out there, some with potentially superior technology or use cases. So while Bitcoin has a lot going for it, it's not without its risks. So there you have it. Those are the key factors that could push Bitcoin to $100,000 by 2025. It's an exciting time to be following the crypto markets, but it's important to remember that investing in cryptocurrencies is inherently risky. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Do you think Bitcoin will hit $100,000? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.